What is that? Shake weight?
Flabby to frame! I'm gonna have firm next
Alright, try it out!
Try it out!
Try it. Shake. All you have to do is shake it. You just have to shake it. That's how it starts.
Batteries not required. My battery days are over.
Oh, shit.
Of all people, come on, Helen. Of all people, why are you kidding me, Helen?
I think she's keeping it.
There it is.
What the hell?
Batteries in it?
Try it out.
Oh, shake it, baby! I forgot how to shake it. Well, this is great, though.
You're gonna put that on YouTube, aren't you?
So it's like this.